Restoring items from the recycle bin in Windows 11 is a straightforward process that can help you recover accidentally deleted files and folders. To start, first ensure that the items you want to restore are still in the recycle bin. As items are permanently deleted after a certain period or when the bin is emptied, open the recycle bin by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the recycle bin is open, you will see a list of all the items that have been deleted from your computer. Browse through the list to find the items you want to restore. To restore an item, right-click on it and select Restore from the context menu. This will move the item back to its original location on your computer. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop the item to its original location or any other location on your computer. If you want to restore multiple items at once, you can select them all by holding down the Control key and clicking on each item. Then right-click on any of the selected items and select Restore. This will restore all the selected items to their original locations. It is also possible to restore all items in the recycle bin at once by clicking on the Manage tab in the recycle bin window and selecting Empty Recycle Bin. Restore all items, however. Be cautious when using this option as it will restore all items in the recycle bin, including those you may not want to restore. To avoid accidentally deleting important files, it is a good practice to regularly empty the recycle bin and to use the confirmation prompt when deleting items. You can also consider using a third-party backup software to automatically backup your important files and folders. In addition, if you have emptied the recycle bin and need to recover items that are no longer there, you may be able to use a file recovery software to recover them. However, the success of file recovery depends on various factors, including the type of file system and the amount of time that has passed since the items were deleted. In conclusion, restoring items from the recycle bin in Windows 11 is a simple process that can help you recover accidentally deleted files and folders. By following these steps and using best practices, you can minimize the risk of losing important data and ensure that your computer remains organized and clutter-free.